This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and making the first connections. Install MySQL server and create a user. This gives you credentials to connect. Next, install Visual Studio Code and add SQL tools plus the MySQL driver so the editor can speak SQL. Once done, test the server locally with MySQL UuserP and confirm port 3306 is open. This first set of steps ensures Vscode has the tools and a live database to connect to before you configure projects. Now set up detailed connection profiles and learn how to run queries from Vscode. Open SQL tools and add a connection. Enter host, port, database name, user, and password. Use an SSH tunnel for remote servers to secure traffic. Save profiles in settings or reference environment variables so secrets aren't in source. Then open a SQL file, choose your saved connection, and use run selected query or execute all to execute statements. This lets you iterate fast without switching apps. Finish by establishing a repeatable workflow and a key troubleshooting habit. Use the query results panel for quick inspection. Enable auto-format to keep SQL readable, and create snippets for repeated statements so you don't mistype. For schema changes, prefer migrations or export SQL rather than ad hoc edits, especially on production. If a connection fails, immediately check firewall rules, correct credentials, port numbers, and inspect the SQL tools driver logs in Vscode's output panel. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.